Hello artist! Today we're going to be painting this ice cream cone. And what's fun is that you can use different colors for your ice cream. Here we used yellow, red, and orange, but you can use whatever colors you want. So let's start. You're going to need some watercolor paper, a bowl with water, some paints, and you're going to need a thinner, smaller paintbrush as well as a nice and thick, large paintbrush. So let's get started on this ice cream cone. The colors you can choose are really whatever you want. I'm going to use some yellow. Let's just say that's a banana flavor. Not too much color or not too much paint, more water. So we are going to be doing 3 circles. Here, here, and here. And they're going to be touching each other, which is totally fine. So let's just draw a circle just like that and color it in just with a few strokes. It's okay if you have a little bit of darker, we can add it to one side or at one edge, and that's it. Now let's choose a different color. And I am thinking of this orangey red that I have. I think this might work. Just a nice bright color. And we're gonna add that right next to our yellow, just like that. Let them blend if they want to. Pick up some more concentrated color and just add it, just dab it onto random spots on like half of the circle. Don't do any here, just do some on the bottom. Wash your paintbrush. And let's do another color. And I'm thinking of doing an orange because we have yellow, red, and I feel like orange is just asking to be used. So I have a nice orange right here, and now we're gonna use that. And this circle is gonna go right on top, just like this. Paint it in with just a few strokes. Add some more concentrated color and just dab it on one side. Remember, just one side. There you go. Because when it's gonna dry, it's gonna look more beautiful. It's not gonna look flat. It's gonna have some of that definition. Now we're actually almost done. Let's wash our paintbrush really well, or actually, let's use this thinner one. And we're gonna collect some of this brown. It's gonna be our cone, but you don't need too much brown, just a little bit. We're gonna draw sort of a triangle, just like that, and color it in. We are gonna touch a little bit of these circles, but not too much because we don't really want the red and the yellow to blend in or the brown to blend in with the colorful ice cream. Now with this same really thin brush, let's collect more of that color, more of this brown. And now we're gonna be drawing the details of this cone. Too much water, just like that. That's what our cones are made from. The sugar cones have this little pattern, right? So just like that. And now we're gonna do a larger stroke just on this side, just so it looks a little bit more interesting, a little bit more interest to it, where it's not completely painted in this pattern of the cone, but just a little bit of it. So it's kind of blending in and out. You can see it's a cone because it has this design, but it's not super detailed. So here is our ice cream cone. This is super fun and super easy, and I'm glad you were able to do this with me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.